In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Amazon Seller Central account. This step is critical for anyone looking to dive into the world of online selling, so let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the Amazon Seller Central website by heading over to sellercentral.amazon.com. Once you're there, simply log in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to gain access. After you're logged in, Amazon will prompt you to provide some basic information. This is where you'll enter your details. If you're operating a business, you'll need to input your business name. For those selling as individuals, your full name will suffice. Next, you're going to input your business address. Make sure this address is accurate because Amazon uses it as a point of contact and for any important correspondence. Following the address, you'll need to provide a mobile number. This is essential for verification purposes, so double-check to ensure the number is both correct and active. You'll also need to include your email address. Remember, this is where Amazon will send all official communications regarding your account. Make sure the email is one you check regularly. With your basic information submitted, the next stage is identity verification. Amazon takes security very seriously, and this step is crucial to protect both you and your potential customers. To begin, you'll need to upload an image of your valid government ID. This could be a passport, a driver's license, or any other official ID document accepted in your country. Ensure the image is clear, legible, and that all details are visible. If you're scanning it, make sure the resolution is high enough to capture all necessary information clearly. The final part of verification involves submitting a recent bank account statement. The statement should reflect your account details and show recent transactions to confirm validity. Again, clarity is essential here. Ensure that the statement is recent, usually within the past 90 days is best practice. This step not only verifies your identity, but also ensures you're set up with a viable financial pathway for transactions. Once all your documents and information are submitted, Amazon will process them. This may take some time, so be patient and keep an eye on your email for any additional instructions or confirmations. And that's it. You've successfully set up and verified your Amazon Seller Central account. With these steps completed, you're all set to start your journey as an Amazon seller. Remember, attention to detail is key throughout this process, so take your time with each step to ensure all your information is accurate. Good luck on your online selling journey, and thank you for watching.